Whisper, you late, you know?
No. You late.
What you mean? I reach here 10 o'clock on the dot.
You reach 7 minutes after 10.
How you know and you just reach?
And they're here from 9:30.
But now it's 10:35.
Yeah.
What you did there?
Did I watch you?
Watch me? Why?
Well, may I pray your patience.
So that a part of the training?
Yeah.
I lie you tell. I've just threw you late, that's why you find excuse.
When you walk up, you buck your foot. When you reach at the big tree out of the front, you look up. And when you reach at the garden, you start dance.
You want spy?
Come, I got a training spot. So, where the big bag from?
Me have look at things in there. So Whisper, you're a karate teacher?
No, fitness trainer.
Where you train people? Gym or your garden yard?
Toni-Ann, you ask too much question. Focus now.
Question can't be too much. Them say question are made to be asked. Okay?
Yeah, but them questions we are asked irrelevant to where you know. Remember your stance.
You come back with that again. Alright. I'm ready.
So you work at a call center?
Oh, sorry. Ready.
Alright, so tell me the things that you learned the last time.
Oh, so I get this and then something there too.
Toni-Ann, please focus.
Sorry. I learned that the eyes are the windows to the soul and you're supposed to look straight in their eyes.
Focus.
Alright. I learned how to throw a punch. Right hand, guard the face. Left hand, guard the ribs. And then, you throw a punch. And then, the snap kick. So, raise from the hip, kick from the knees. Duh.
Okay, good. So, boss say you have issues with your boyfriend.
Should I tell you about it?
Don't worry, your secret's safe with me.
I know that, you know. I just feel away.
Alright, listen. The best way to deal with them thing here is head on. And you know if you have no fear.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah man, I'm good. Alright. But learn 2 more moves.
Yeah? Bossy teacher 2 more moves?
No, not bubbles. By Boss Shappy.
Oh, bossy nephew.
Yeah, and teach me roundhouse kick and fly kick.
Alright, show me teacher.
Alright, teacher.